Welcome back to my channel. Hi kids, let's learn about alphabets. Are you ready? A. A is for apple.
B.
B is for ball.
C.
C is for cake. D. D is for duck. E. E is for egg. F. F is for fish. G. G is for giraffe. H. H is for heart. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for jellyfish. K. K is for key. L. L is for lemon. M. M is for moon. N. N is for nest. O. O is for orange. P. P is for pig. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for robot. S. S is for sun. T. T is for turtle. U. U is for umbrella. Wait. V is for violin. W. W is for watermelon. X. X is for xylophone. Y is for young. Z. Z is for zebra. ABCDEFG. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.